Hey there, team. Today I'm going to show you how to create your annotated bibliography using Easybib. It's super easy as long as you've completed all of the other steps before it. So I'm here on the Political Participation Project website. I have already completed step 1 and step 2, so I'm going to go over here to step 3, which is creating my annotated bibliography. And there's a few things that I need to make sure I've done before I start building it on Easybib. So first thing, I'm going to review what it is and why I need to write one. And then I'm going to make sure I've gone through this 3-part process for completing my bibliography. So I've already done OPVL outlines for all 5 of my sources. I've already written my paragraph annotations using the template, and I have those in formal paragraphs now. So I'm on step 3, the final annotated bibliography, and this is really just building the bibliography. I'm not writing anything at this point. So first step is to go to easybib.com. I already have it open over here. I'm going to show you how to cite 4 different kinds of sources. Remember, you will have 5 sources and 5 annotations. The first thing you need to do is click Login. Even if you don't already have an account, still click Login to start. And that's going to take you to the option to sign in with Google, which is what we want to do. Don't create a username or a new password. You don't want to have to remember a new username or password. At any point, you can go back to the Political Participation Project website and view tutorials on how to do all of these things as well. So once I get logged in to Easybib, one thing to know about Easybib is it's got all these annoying ads. The only way to get rid of it is to upgrade, but we're not going to do that. So I'm logged in. You should see your name over here. And I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click on New Project. I'm going to title my project, and you're going to do the same thing. Political Participation Project, Annotated Bibliography, and then your last name. You can choose Education for the subject. Make sure this says MLA 7 and then click Create. So now I've got my project here. You always want to make sure that you're doing your citations within this project. So once I'm here, I'm going to click on Bibliography. And that's going to take me to where I'm going to actually build my annotated bibliography. So there's a couple things here. There's no citations in our project yet. Eventually there will be 5. My first source is just a regular old website. So I'm going to come up here to my website. It's an article from NPR. I've already done my annotated bibliography, my paragraph for it. So I'm going to come up here, highlight the link, and copy it. And then I'm going to go back over to Easybib. I'm going to paste my link into where it says cite a website by entering the URL or by searching for it. So once I hit paste and put it in there, I'm going to click on Cite It. And what it's going to do is it's going to collect all the information on that website for me and make it really easy to do my citations. This tool is awesome. It's going to save you a bunch of time. In the end, you used to have to create all of these citations by hand. All right, so the first thing it will do is confirm that it's the right website. If it doesn't do that, just click back and try again. So this is the right one, and I'm going to click Cite This. And again, I'm going to show you how to cite 4 different sources over 4 different little tutorials. All right, so they're gathering my information, and it will show you what it's found. Now, if there's anything that it didn't find, it'll give you a little red mark, and you can fill that in on the next step. So it's a good idea to have all of your sources, your tabs of your sources open so that you can go back and reference each source as you need to. but this one, it found all the information that I needed. So here's my citation, and I just want to check that it's right. Content published originally on a website, that's correct. It has the article, that's correct. It has my author. It's got the website, the publisher, the URL. Make sure that you've clicked yes. You do want it to display the URL. When it was published, and then the date that I accessed it. And then once that's all correct, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click Add Annotation. And this is the important part because this is where I'm going to actually paste my annotations. So I've already created my paragraph annotations using the template. And again, you can find all of this on the website under examples. So I'm going to take my annotation and I'm going to highlight the text, making sure that it's between 200 and 225 words. I'm going to click copy. Also, make sure on Google Docs that you've already checked for spelling and grammar, because once you paste it over here into Easybib, it's not going to give you little red underline when words are spelled wrong or the punctuation's wrong. Once that's in there, I'm going to click Create Citation. And just like magic, it's going to create my citation with my annotation together. And that will take care of my first annotation. So there's my new citation. In the next video,